Welcome again to my crypto channel. The Drip Drop Draw game has finally launched, and despite all the FUD that was spread around, it was a flawless and perfect launch. The lottery ticketing works fine, tickets are being sold 24/7, and Drip token rewards are paid out every 4 hours. You can view all the past winners' prizes and their addresses here. The good thing is that you don't have to put in a significant amount of capital to win in Drip Drop Draw. I have seen players win a few thousand of Drip with only 5 tickets. I have been sacrificing some Drip so far but did not win anything. But I will keep playing, and putting in Drip rewards that come from one of my maxed out wallets. I will do this every day to support the ecosystem. It's a verifiable system, and Chainlink is doing a good job. Yes, there has been a pullback in the Drip price when DDD started, but that was a bad actor who wanted to attack the game by buying 250,000 Drip, and then dumping it all at once on the market. Sadly, that person lost half of his investment doing that. It could have been a coordinated attack by a group of people who don't want Drip to succeed, but that's hard to find out. There will always be bad actors who are trying to put Drip in a bad spot. They may be active in other DeFi projects, or they may be scared to have missed out on Drip. But take it from me. These people have no impact on the long term, and Drip will survive. I personally don't care about the price of Drip. Drip is backed by a strong community, and that is what makes Drip Network unique, compared to other crypto projects. The tax vault is growing day by day, and not a single Drip has been minted since DDD launched, and that's what matters to me. Drip Drop Draw is doing its thing here right live on the website for anyone to see. People who buy tickets are putting their Drip to work, which is a bullish factor in the long run. Now, I don't want to sound like a Drip maxi. I am a realist and I will never make a Drip price prediction because that is something that no one can. It's a fact that in crypto, anything can happen. Nobody knows if DDD or Drip will be here a year from now or 2 or 3 years. Nobody knows how much the price of Bitcoin will be in 5 or 6 years. It's simple. People are bearish or bullish. Everyone is trying to make money, be it in a bear market or in a bull market. We all have a strategy, and we all play this as a solo sport, hoping to make life-changing money. Let me know in the comments below what your strategy is. Are you in Drip for the long term, building as many maxed out wallets as possible? Or are you here for the short term, buying the bottom and selling the top? I'm curious to hear your feedback. I am happy as long as Drip pays out 1% every day, and when I reach my goal of owning 6 or 7 maxed out wallets, I will start claiming and taking profits. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take this as financial advice, but if you decide to get in Drip at this moment, and compound your Faucet every day until a maxed out wallet, you will be in profit. If you are not convinced, do the math and check it out for yourself. There are plenty of useful online tools to help you calculate how much money you can make by compounding 1% every day. Just don't put in money that you can't afford to lose and you will be fine. This counts for any investment you make. Stick to your plan and don't believe anyone else, especially on YouTube or Twitter. If you don't know how to get started with Drip Network, you can download my free Drip tutorial from my website. I will drop the link below in the description. I know it's scary to see the price drop, but Drip will find a new floor. The tax vault is loading up, and it's possible that Drip won't ever mint another token. If this happens, it's beyond bullish. Whales are selling Drip for peanuts and all we need to do is compound and accumulate Drip until the next bull run. Nothing goes up in a bear market, even Bitcoin and other primary tokens are suffering, and Drip is no different. Yes, we need new investors to step in, but with DDD and many new projects coming up, the community will make Drip one of the best platforms for 2024-2025. My advice is to grow as many max wallets as you can and just stay calm. You can buy Drip Drop Draw lottery tickets with BUSD, BNB, or Drip. Purchasing tickets through the deposit option allows users to add 75% of their entry's value to their Drip Faucet balance. If you choose to buy tickets via the sacrifice option, which is my favorite way to play the game, then 75% of the entry value goes directly into the Drip tax vault. In exchange, you receive a 250% bonus multiplier in tickets, and the sacrifice multiplier can be combined with the 10% bonus if entering with BUSD or BNB. If you for example buy 2 tickets with Drip in the sacrifice, you will get 5 tickets. You can also give away tickets to other people. Just enter the player's address here if you buy your tickets. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you got something from my video. If you did, please leave a like, drop a comment below, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all the latest videos first. Have a wonderful day, and stay safe.